I'm pretty sure that this video is gonna be painful. Probably funny to you, but painful for me. Hey Cheap Bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip. And for today's Thursday DIY, we're gonna do another Does this shit really work? And today we're going to be testing DIY hair removal using baking soda. I've seen a few videos on YouTube and it seems to have worked for those people, so maybe it'll work for me. I figured let's find out together. Now, I am not in the habit of waxing any of my hair. I have a little hair on my chest. I have a lot of hair under my arms. That seems like it's gonna hurt. In the wintertime, I don't trim or anything. I just let it go au natural. Watch out for those hairs in the teeth. So, let's get started and see if this works. I'm enticed. All right, we are in my kitchen. We're gonna start out with a cup of water in a skillet. We're just gonna put the fire on the stove and we're just going to wait for this to boil up. Once the water has started to boil, then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and adding it to my mixture. Ooh, that's interesting. Then we're just going to stir this around, and then we're just going to let this continue to boil, and then keep stirring it occasionally until all this water is gone. It's gotta be gone. This is the part where you have to have a little more patience. I'm not a very patient person. Once it has boiled down to about this kind of little paste here, I think I overboiled it a little bit. And try to scrape up as much as you can. Oh, I hope this doesn't ruin my pan. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you let this cool down before you put it on your skin. Don't burn yourself, please. Alright, so I am back and I have my paste. I think I'm gonna start with maybe my chest. I'm assuming that you need to wipe off all the oil, so I'm gonna take a little baby wipe and just wipe down my chest, my underarms. I don't have any deodorant on. I'm pretty smelly, just have to say. I guess the only way to do this is to take the shirt off. Should I do it sexy? That's not very sexy. I'm such an idiot. Now the way they applied it was, let me put it on. She rubbed it in the opposite direction first, I guess to catch the hairs, and then she rubbed it in a circular motion. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I didn't really make too much. A tablespoon doesn't really make a lot, so if you're planning on doing like your whole body, I would say do more. This gets everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean after this, and I don't like to clean. The next thing will be the underarm. In the hair, and then back with the hair. Right. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Do I have enough on my chest? If this looks really bad, I'm gonna have to shave everything. I think that's... I don't know. Alright, and now we have to just wait for this to dry. Do I have to lift my arm up the whole time? Jesus. Fanning. Feels like it's gonna take a long time. I'm gonna go like have a snack. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and my arm is getting numb because I've been holding it up so long. It looks dry. It took about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. And you're supposed to take a damp cotton and you're supposed to wipe in the opposite direction. So let's see if this works. Okay, that hurts a little bit. I don't see any hair falling off. No, that's not working. Let's see if the chest works. I see one hair.
I got one little hair.
Ow! Oh, I got another. Oh my god, this is a friggin' mess though. You probably shouldn't do this in your living room. I see a few hairs, not a lot. There's like a hair there, like a little hair there. It feels to me that it's just breaking off some of the hair, not really getting rid of it, and it just makes a mess everywhere. Who's gonna clean this up? So yeah, does this work? No. This was an absolute fail, and I'm gonna have to take a shower now. It did give me something to do, clean my apartment. You win some, you lose some. Anyway, that's my whole tip. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Testing out a hair... And also make sure that... I think I have a booger. Ugh. Oh, I just blew some off. I didn't blow someone off, I blew some off. Get your mind out of the gutter. Oh my God. It's everywhere. It's just everywhere. Look at all this. Oh my God. Good thing is baking soda cleans. Eesh.